I'm from Cypress. I work for a block called System Resources Subsystem, and I'm going to present how Questa PowerAware helps solve us parametric PA regressions. So this is the basic agenda. I'm going to go over what power problems we face, how UPF as a spec is used for power-aware verification, what's power-aware versus non-power-aware regression, basic parametric versus non-parametric for both PA as well as non-PA, and then how the simulation setup is done and how the regression flow, and finally I will conclude. So what are the problems of today's complex SoC design? As I was walking across the floor, everybody just seems to be talking about UPF, power-aware, and basically it's everybody needs a longer battery, IoT devices, so basic HDL design doesn't have concept of UPF or power aware. And so the recent trends, if you see, basically there's multi-voltage domains, power gating, there's retention, isolation, different power supplies. So how do we solve this issue of power aware is with the IEEE 1801 UPF standard, which enables power management as well as verification. So the food chain of power aware is basically, first step is power specification, like what exactly do you need for verifying your power specifications. Then the next step, which is design, is UPF development. So one has to say what type of power states are there, what kind of power domains are there, what is the supply strategy, what isolation strategy you want. And once you have the UPF, now the question comes, how do we verify it? Like what verification environment we've set up, how you want to use the same test, is your isolation working correctly, is your power states, the system is going through the same different power states correctly. And once you have the environment set up, now you need Questa PowerAware to verify this.